This is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So firstly, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data, all three. Then find and touch and hold the nearby share icon. Now you're gonna enable this switch. From here, you can rename your device if you want to. Then you can make your device visible or invisible respectively, as well as change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. Now we are all set and ready to use this feature. So I have this Nokia on my hands right now, so let me take a quick screenshot, and now I'll share it through the nearby share and send it to my tablet. So here's my T10. Now I gotta accept the transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the file to get transferred, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.